Hi, folks. This is your old Uncle Dan at myuncledan.com, and I have a question for you. I'm thinking about expanding the website, making it big, making it huge, and adding more cameras. Cameras everywhere, on me, in my house, all over the place. So, I want your opinion. I want to know what my audience wants. And I need help. I need your help. So, this is what I'm thinking of doing. I have a couple of different options. Option one, all day long, except for when I sleep and for when I'm like in the shower or changing clothes. Don't get dirty minded. So when I'm at work, when I'm out and about during the day, when I'm driving in the car, when I'm doing anything, I have a camera on me, on the side of my head, on my shoulder, chest, somewhere, so you can see what I see. So as I'm walking around town and I'm talking to people, you can listen to everyday English conversation, and you can see the sights and sounds of Pusan, South Korea. All the time, all day, in the evening, except for those few times I told you. That's option one. Option two is the same camera. You see everything I see all day, every day. And I also have cameras in the house. So you can see my living room. You can see my new TV. You can see my kitchen. You can see my office. You can see the rest of this grand studio in front of you. So much to see. That's option two. So I need your help. Or there's also option three. I don't do any of it. And I just keep doing what I'm doing. So I need your help. Should I just have option one, which is a camera on me wherever I go? You can see what I see and listen to everyday English conversation no matter where I go, and you can see lots of Pusan, South Korea in the process. Option two, mosquito on my hand. That's not the option though. Option two is camera on me. You can see everything I see, plus cameras in the house. And you can see my house, see my home. Or option number three, I do nothing. So I'm looking for your opinion. So please send me an email. Visit me on myuncledan.com and let me know. Or put a note in the comment section on the video site you're watching this on. So, pretty please, I need your help and I need your opinion. Thank you so much.